In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a ClickUp bug tracking workflow for development projects. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized space where you can capture bugs, assign them to the right people, and track progress from first report to final fix. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. If you work across multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one before creating anything new. This helps keep your client or team projects neatly separated. Next, create a dedicated space for bug tracking. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Bug Tracking. Enabling lists here is important, because each list will hold the tasks for your bug reports. Think of the space as your top-level container for everything related to bug fixes, so keeping it focused and clearly named will save time later. Inside that space, add a folder called Bug Fix Workflow. Folders help you group related lists so you can expand your setup in the future, like separating active bugs from backlog or archived bugs, without cluttering the space. Now add a new list and name it Active Bugs. In this list, each task will represent a single reported bug. This makes it easy to sort, filter and search issues. Quick note, if you don't have ClickUp yet, there's a link at the top of the description to go to the website or download the desktop app, so you can follow along and set this up right away. Create tasks for each bug you need to address. Clear, descriptive titles like login error, UI glitch, or payment issue make it easier for the team to scan the list. Inside each task, include a brief summary, steps to reproduce, expected versus actual results, and any relevant screenshots or logs. These details help developers fix issues faster. Add custom fields to capture the essentials: severity, assigned developer, reported date, and status. Severity indicates impact, such as critical, major, or minor, so you can prioritize. Assigned developer makes ownership clear. Reported date helps you track how long an issue has been open, and status will drive your workflow. Set up your statuses to reflect the lifecycle of a bug: new, in progress, testing, fixed and closed. This sequence supports handoffs between development and QA, and it gives stakeholders a clear view of progress without asking for updates. Finally, use the list or board view to track and review bugs. Board view is great for dragging tasks across statuses, while list view shines for sorting by severity or assignee. Assign tasks, adjust priorities, and review progress regularly to ensure timely fixes. That's it. You now have a clean ClickUp setup to track and manage bug fixes for development projects. Thanks for watching.